Oh, okay.
Buying all the old '73
Uh-huh.
stuff and all the
Yeah,
hard
yeah,
to
the
get.
vintage,
So,
yeah.
yeah, I've got several thousand involved in that, tied up in that, and like I've had my $6 million man toys,
Oh,
and he
okay.
was just up in Orlando.
Was that MegaCon?
Not it was
Oh,
Fanboy Expo, I think it
oh,
was.
oh, oh, okay.
MegaCon's coming.
Yeah, yeah, oh, yeah, yeah.
And
Yeah,
it was
this year.
last year, and so I went up and had him sign my in the box, you know, $6 million man.
I don't want to hold you up too long.
Uh,
But, oh my
I
God.
got some bugs on it. I was over in Tampa first, and I came over here. Holland
I like the windshield. That's different.
deflects the wind right over my head.
Oh, wow. Yeah, now there's so many different versions. Now there's this one.
Oh no, I made all this.
Right. Oh yeah. Well. Well. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Custom.
everything's custom.
Customize it. Yeah.
Yeah.
These are called what?
Slingshot.
Slingshot. Okay.
Yeah, it's a slingshot.
I thought they were called a spider, but slingshot. That is a
three-wheel motorcycle with two wheels in the front.
Oh,
and one in
okay.
the back. But that's
Slingshot.
a motorcycle.
Okay.
This is an auto cycle.
And the bat belt.